Okay, they call this French toast. It's very easy to make. See, there. First you got your eggs and get our bread. It's very simple. Mix this. Don't get it too fluffy. Kind of hard to hold the camera and this at the same time. You just batter the eggs. Make sure they're well mixed. Not too much air into it to fluff it too much. Alright. That's a good amount right there. Just the eggs is all you need. Can make an easy meal. We use this to eat with too. Rinse it off. Alright. While that's getting heated up. And not too much, but get the extra drip off. That's one. Tastes better than pancakes. It's kind of hard to tell if it's heated up already. But they got the surface light. Make sure it's edible too. I should have played some music before I thought of this. By the way, I can show you my best feature. It's kind of hidden and not hidden. Looks like I'll need to heat up a little bit. Get the other one ready here real soon. We'll just have two to start off with. This will be like a breakfast thing, you know, kind of. Not everybody knows how to make French toast. Make sure it's edible and we'll take a break. I should have picked some bread. Maybe wheat next time. So, you get your eggs, get your bread. Should we cook it more brown today? Believe it or not, it's a simple recipe, but it's pretty good. I would cook more, but I don't want to make a long video. good done. Next one shouldn't take long to cook. Yep. Make sure the extra drips off. You want two sides. And what goes good on this, some butter over here. Just when you try something, put that label. We'll try cinnamon or brown sugar on top of it next time. Oh, you could try it. Oh, we have cinnamon sugar. I didn't realize that was there. I forgot about some things. Trust me, that'll be good. I should have added it sooner. But don't worry, it'll be good. We'll have like half and half. We'll have one sugar and one maple. Cinnamon sugar. That should be enough for one person. Egg, bread, done. Yeah. There goes away. Here. Oh, just so you know, I'm right here. Sorry. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. You can use two hands anyways. Okay, use that hand. Like, if you see me use two hands, I can't use them both at once. But I thought it would be. That's here. Questionable about the sugar. I should have added it sooner. Oh. Just here. Alright. Good. Simple recipe.